Hey everyone, it's Elaine with Larkin Lane Creations. Today I want to show you how I recycle junk mail envelopes. I pretty much always have a little jelly plate out. I always use it as my palette when I'm playing with paint, so that any extra paint that I have left over, I can always take one of these kind of envelopes and daub up the paint on it, because you're going to put layers on it anyway, so it doesn't necessarily matter that it's a big glob behind there. But the first thing you want to do is you want to go on and get this barcode off of your envelopes. This part here doesn't necessarily matter so much, because these days the post office goes by the barcode, unless of course if it's a handwritten envelope. But I go on and just get some whiteout tape and I go on and white that out. So anyway, so then like I said, you're going to either, take a paintbrush and cover it up with a layer of paint, front and back. I know a lot of people take the envelopes and they'll tuck in the flap and then they'll fold it in half and they will make pockets for their journals, or they'll leave it whole and paint on it, collage on it and make pockets. But I try to go on and take care of my junk envelopes with a little bit of paint and everything. Now here's just some examples of some of the ones that I've done. Of course some of them are better looking than others, but remember, this can always be just a work in progress. You never have to be content or satisfied. You can keep on layering paint. And for me too, this is a way that I get rid of old paint. Any paint that is starting to dry up. Now it does get a little messy sometimes, and it's easy to get through envelopes, so you may have a table full waiting for them to dry. So if you're an impatient person, I don't know that this is the project for you. But as you can see too, there's all different sizes I do. And believe it or not, I actually do use these to mail. I'll mail Happy Mail to people, or a letter or card. And I haven't been in the bank in years. If I make a deposit, I always do it in the night drop. So I'll get an envelope, put my deposit in it, and I'll write on the front of it for deposit only. And the other thing too is that sometimes you'll end up with like a dark one where your writing is not going to show. So I always have some kind of paper around that I can make labels out of, and I can address that way. And put who you're sending it to, and then we all have those little return address labels. So anyway, I hope this gives you an idea what to do with your junk mail envelopes. This is a lot of fun. This is kind of one of those things that I like to do when I'm hanging out with the girls and we're just kind of doing busy work. So please, I hope you like my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. I do appreciate it. Bye.